Hi, I'm Rashmi from Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn different species and their properties. Under this lesson we have few subtopics you can notice, and these are red data book, migration, recycling of paper and reforestation. Before covering any one of these, we have a little pre-assessment. So let's go through with these questions. It says, say whether the following statements are true or false. So give some time to read these statements and decide whether they are true or false. So after deciding which one is true and which one is false, you can check from the given answers. Moving on and have a look on our first topic of this lesson, which is about red data book. As you can see the picture in the right hand side of the slide, we have a little discussion on red data book here. So as the name suggests, this is a book which is about detailed information of the extinct animal. And the extinct animal are the animals that are very less in numbers and almost at the end. So there are various red data books for plants, animal and other species. Let's proceed further, and the next topic is migration. Migration is simply means to movement from one place to another. So sometimes due to of the climate, sometimes from the weather, and sometimes from the different things, the animals or the species changes their places. They fly from one place to another, and that calls migration. Sometimes even they fly to laying their eggs, as the weather in the natural habitat are very cold and not easy to survive. Proceeding further, and the next thing is about recycling of paper. There is another cause of deforestation. So making paper is another use of the trees or the wood. So this is also a cause of deforestation. It takes 17 full grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. So it's quite a lot. So if you want to protect wildlife, or we can say if you want to decrease deforestation, the first thing we need to do, save paper. So paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. If each person saves at least 1 sheet of paper in a day, we can save many trees in a year. So now you can notice that how important it is to save paper. Proceed further, and the next topic is reforestation. It's opposite of deforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. So the planted trees should generally be of the same species which were found in the forest. So species is almost about the same type of trees. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut, so the ratio will be same and there won't be any harm because of the deforestation. Proceeding further, and here is an act about reforestation in India, which called Forest Act. This act is aimed at preservation and conservation of natural forest and meeting the basic need of people living in or near the forest. You can see the picture. In the first picture you can see some school children which are planting a tree with their teacher, and we have the same thing in the second picture in right hand side. So we all need to make our mind that we should plant as many trees as we can. So we have completed all the topics, and at the end we have some questions that will help you to learn and remember the things we have discussed in the video. The question 1 is an explanatory question, so give it a proper thought while writing your answer. And in the question 2, you have to complete these sentences. So read every sentence and make sure you will write the correct word to complete the sentence. After completing your answers, you can match these answers with the given word next to the statement. So this is all about the lesson today. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.